Little backstory for this bed. This bed frame is the first bed that I bought, right? Even out of school, just starting life, I'm decided to never go our place. We sell a lot of furniture in AJAWI. Everybody know that the name started C. And I purchased and we take over this and here we are. But yeah, so we're just doing a little, let us say, makeover for the wife, right? As a young man, you want to be industrious and take your hand in fashion, right? So we're gonna get rid of this now, and then we're gonna come in with the new bed frame that the king size will go onto. As I said, this is a queen size, but I just retrofitted it for the time being so that I was able to, utilize what we have and get the comfort what we need or what we want. Alright? So I'm gonna take this out and bring in the new. And today I'm not with Kerr. Right? I am actually setting up her king size mattress base or bed frame. We actually reached out to for a collaboration from N-Home to actually review their bed frame, right? Their king size bed frame. They sent this package to us to actually just review it and give our honest feedback. So I'm coming to you and giving you an honest feedback of what I think about this. Is it easy to set up? This is coming from somebody who is in architecture, who is in construction. So I think you guys would appreciate that, right? So if you like this video, hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I make videos just like this one. Additionally, if you would like to purchase one of these, once I finish setup and I show it to you and you would like to purchase one, just head on over to our Amazon store. The link will be in the description so that you can purchase one as well. What I like so far is the packaging, right? It comes flat packed. Let me just show you. Comes flat packed, right? It's 90 something pounds. Yes, about 90 pounds. Comes flat packed. They just ship it to me and here we are, right? Can it fit in a small vehicle sedan? No, it can't fit in a small vehicle sedan because it has length, right? So yeah. So let's get into this unpacking. I'm going to show you what's in the package. I'm going to give you my honest opinion as it relates to, is it easy to set up, right? How does it look at the end of the day? Do I like it? One thing that it states is that it does make sounds when you're laying on it. So for those of you like myself who are married, you know that your bed squeaks at times. So
wait a minute.
You don't really like that, right? So I'm going to tell you if that happens with this bed. So let's get into that. So this is what the package looks like. There's an entire bed frame in that. So if you are a young person just leaving school, just going out into the world, something like this would be great, right? I'm actually loving it and it's affordable. So look at that. That's a whole bed. What I like about this is if I'm gonna be moving, it wouldn't be hard to move with a bed like this. So if you're a young person and just starting out and trying to find your way, having a bed like this would be really nice because guess what? When you're ready to move on to the next location, move on to the next rental property, you have a bed that you can just pull down, pack it and move. Right? You don't have that big old bed where you normally see. Have metal, has numbers on it. This says 10. So wife, you wanted the grey, right? You wanted the grey. Yeah. So they sent the grey one. We have that. We have some board in here. should probably keep it in the plastic until I'm ready for it. Okay. Until I'm actually setting up. I think this is probably the. Oh, this is the bed frame or the back bed head. That's what we call it. Nice. It's really good. Another board. Betting that the manual is in that. This is so that it won't roll around. Yep, manual. Another part of the head. Right. So, screwdriver, all-in screw. And these are washers and screws. Screws of different length, right? So let's put that here. This is the foot. 1, 2. That goes at the front. This one goes at the front. These are another foot. Feet. These are part of the support system. Don't know what this is for yet, but we're gonna check the manual. Right? Now what's this? Okay. Comes with our plug for those that plug-in. Oh, this is for USB charger, USB-C charger. So the bed can actually allow you to charge your phone and just plug it in and you can charge it. Alright. This is how it comes, guys. Now imagine you decide that you're gonna move from your current location. Would you rather a bed that you have to put on top of your car, or would you rather have something like this that you can pull down and just move, right? Look at that. Let me get the manual and see if this is gonna be an easy process or I'm gonna lose my hair. It says that you need 2 or more people to complete it. Alright, as we know, as I normally do, I start with one thing and then move to the rest. So let's start with the back. Alright? We're gonna start with this part. Moment of truth, right? It's good. And it comes with everything that you need to set it up. So, do you really need a screwdriver otherwise? Then you just send the screwdriver for the charging port right here. That goes right there. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Perfect. So I'm showing you the setup for this from the perspective of somebody who just bought a bed, right? A regular person. I could have got my power tool and
just quickly set up. I could have dressed up and come to you and say, boy, you know, with this nice introduction, but I want you to realize that this is a regular setup, regular person just doing a setup, right? It's a little bit tiring, to be honest. With that, let's put that up here. See what we're working with. Nice. Let's do the next one. It may seem a little bit easier for me, I guess, because I'm more in the construction industry. But it's not the case, right? Anybody could fit up something like this. It's very easy. I like the fact that it's diagrammatic, so it's easy to understand. Guys, it's like step by step. This is step 5. We just completed step 6. We're going to now. So it has some Velcro here. Alright, so we just need to install this piece or put the screws in it, and then we can actually set up. Alright, so just gonna put those together now. The nice part about this is, because the holes are already in place, I can just easily okay, now I see why they say 2-person. All right, bingo. So that one is in place. Well, one thing for sure, this is not going to creak and it's not going anywhere. Alright, there are 2 screws left. Well, they did give us extra screws. You don't have to be using power tool to do anything. Alright guys, so you see it all together now, right? This took me 1 hour 28 minutes. Yeah, I was recording the time to see how long it would take to put together, right? So, and I still have spare screws left. They actually put spare screws. I'm supposed to put the USB charging port in the top behind, so I'm gonna do that now, and then we're pretty much finished, right? Look at that. This came in a box, one single small box. To go. Alright guys, so I am finally finished with the setup, right? As you can see, it comes together really well with the space. I like the color scheme, and I just like the overall look of it, right? It's a nice king-size bed. The nice part about it is that little shelf up there, so I'm gonna just show you what that looks like. But yeah, sturdy. It doesn't make a sound as they promised, right? It doesn't make a single sound when you sit on it. This is cushioned, right? So I like that. So the headboard is cushioned, right? Nice soft material, and then I can rest my water on top of here in the night. You know, maybe I want a glass of water, in bed reasoning with the wife, so you know, you may want a glass of water. And then it has the port there for the charger. As you can see, I'm charging a phone over there. My tablet is over there, so if I want to utilize my devices and I don't want to come off and put them down, then I can just rest them on the headboard and I'm good to go, right? I love the design of it, right? So if you look right there, it has a little design in it, right? I like that. And the overall look, nice king size bed, looks great. Now the other bed that I had before was very low, but look at that, I have a lot of space. You can actually have like a robot, you know, those cleaning robot can actually go under there. It's high enough, right? High enough off the ground. That's the foot right here, very secured. This is plastic, but it's a hard plastic. It's not going anywhere, right? And it's screwed in really well. Everything else is metal as it relates to the frame. So if you can look there, metal, right? Everything else. So when you sit on it, check it out. I just sat a while ago and you didn't hear a sound, right? The other bed that I had always creaked in the night when I move. My wife can hear me moving up and down, but now I can move around, and especially the type of mattress that I have. It's a foam, memory foam mattress. So now she won't even be able to hear me move or feel that I get up out of the bed because it's that firm, right? It's that firm. So it's a 10 out of 10 for me. I'll give you further review once I start using it and actually experiencing the bed itself, sleeping on it and just, you know, having an experience with it. This is the first day, just set up as you see. So yeah, it's really nice. It's really nice. And again, I'm an Amazon affiliate, right? So I'm not just leaving you a review simply because they reached out to me. I'm giving you a genuine review based on my experience, right? An unbiased review of the product. I must point out something though. For here, that space behind the bed, I wish they had something lower as well, so that when I push it back, it doesn't push up on this up here. So that's one thing that I would change. I would have something here to kind of brace it as well, so that I don't push back the bed, the lower part, and then this kind of bend forward, right? But otherwise, love it. All right, 2 thumbs up, 3 thumbs up, 4 thumbs up. If I would borrow some thumbs if I could. So hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell. And if you are interested in getting a bed like this, guess where I am? I'm in Jamaica, right? Bought this online from Amazon. Well, I didn't buy it. You can buy it from Amazon, but it's shipped to our forwarding address in the US, and it comes here in Jamaica. So you can purchase this from our Amazon store. We get stuff from Amazon all the time, so I'm just letting you know that you can check it out on our storefront, right? It will be there on our storefront. So if you want to support us, support the channel so that we can even get more collaborations, the link will be in the description.